Did you know that nearly 1 out of 3 older adults who fracture a hip never regain full independence? Imagine stepping onto the small edge at your doorstep and suddenly losing balance. A moment that tiny can transform an entire life. Walking alone, though beneficial, is insufficient after 60. Walking benefits your heart and lungs, yet it leaves risky gaps in stability and strength. Physicians now highlight a single move that fills those gaps. It appears simple, almost too simple. Still, it stands among the most powerful methods for seniors. The heel lift. And once you grasp why, you'll understand why specialists refer to your calves as the body's secondary heart. Every time these muscles tighten, they push blood upward against gravity, sending energy through your legs and directly to your brain. This prevents swelling, sustains circulation, and even enhances focus and memory. But here's the surprising truth. Many men spend years building a broader chest and arms while neglecting the very base that supports their full frame. Large arms might look appealing, yet weak calves render every step uncertain. It's like constructing a home with a heavy roof and brittle supports. The frame cannot endure. Walking does involve the calves, but much too gently. A vast study from the National Institute on Aging showed that calf strength predicts independence better than almost any muscle in the body. Japanese scientists also discovered that seniors who could perform controlled heel lifts displayed biological age markers up to 15 years younger, meaning the power in your lower legs can genuinely make you feel a decade younger. And here's an example that confirms it. A 72-year-old gentleman I met suffered from ankle swelling every night after adding heel lifts to his daily plan for only 3 months. Not only did the swelling vanish, but he felt steadier on his feet than he had in ages. Tiny motion, huge result. The research is undeniable. Building your calves is not merely about the lower limbs. It guards your balance, aids circulation, and preserves your autonomy. So, how do you execute heel lifts correctly? Stand upright behind a firm chair, fingertips resting gently. Press through the balls of your feet and gradually raise your heels as high as possible. Hold that point for 3 calm breaths, then lower with control. The pause at the top is the key. It compels the muscles to engage deeper and teaches your balance system to activate. Feeling confident? Move into a single leg heel lift. Standing on one foot doubles the intensity, and research proves it produces even greater progress in ankle steadiness and coordination. Begin with only a few reps, then expand as stability improves. But be cautious. Most people do this incorrectly. The first mistake is bouncing too quickly. That builds momentum, not muscle. The second is leaning heavily on the chair for aid. When your arms dominate, your calves deactivate. Keep your body aligned, your pace slow, and you'll sense the burn where it truly counts. So here's my challenge for you today. Try 10 heel lifts without holding on. Tell me in the comments how many you managed, and how your legs felt after. Do your ankles swell in the evening? Do your legs feel heavy when you wake up? Share your story. I read every single comment, and your experience might inspire someone else to take that first step towards strength. Because here's the truth. Walking alone is not enough after 60. It's great for your heart and lungs, but it doesn't train balance or deep muscle control. Heel lifts fill that missing link. They strengthen your foundation, support your heart, and keep your independence alive. Your legs are your freedom. And when you keep your second heart strong, you don't just walk, you walk through life with confidence, stability, and purpose.